Top 5 Best Waxing Kits. Ditch the salon and save money.
Not only does waxing produce a smoother result than shaving, but it also keeps you hair-free for longer. Unfortunately, regular salon appointments can get expensive very quickly. Instead, consider trying one of these affordable at-home kits, which promise to keep you hairless from top to toe while still leaving you with enough cash to go out on that date you are getting ready for. Kolua Wax Premium Waxing Kit for Women.
Tress Wellness Waxing Kit for hair removal. Life Stance Waxing Kit L2 Digital Wax Warmer. Wax Kit for Women Men. Hair Removal Waxing Kit. KOTAMU Digital Wax Warmer Kit. ReviewParks.com link in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe.